What if your client's phone never went to voicemail again? Not because they hired someone new, because you built something. Using Google Gemini's API and free Python libraries, you can deploy a voice support agent right now. It runs around the clock. It handles real conversations intelligently. It costs nothing per month to keep running. I'm walking you through the whole setup today. By the end, you'll know how to turn this into a real service, one that businesses pay you for every month. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Paul James. This channel is built around one idea, using free AI tools to build real income. We don't do expensive platforms here. We don't do bloated subscriptions. We find the leverage and we use it. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the exact free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Now let's talk about the actual problem. Most small businesses are bleeding potential clients after hours, and they don't even realize it's happening. A roofing company misses a call at 9 at night, a dental office has nobody answering on Saturday morning, a gym gets an inquiry during peak class time, the front desk is slammed and the phone just keeps ringing. In every one of those situations, the potential client either leaves a voicemail or moves on. Most of them move on. The business owner assumes everything is fine because the phone rang. They never find out nobody answered in time. The traditional fix costs money. Answering services charge ongoing retainers. Hiring a receptionist adds to payroll. Third-party chatbot platforms want a subscription just to activate. Here is the thing most people miss entirely. You don't need any of that. Google built Gemini to handle complex, nuanced conversations with real intelligence. Python gives you the audio infrastructure to make it listen and respond out loud. You put those two pieces together and you have a fully functional voice agent. No platform, no monthly invoice, no gatekeepers taking a cut. This is what I call the closed loop voice stack. The concept is three connected components working in sequence. A listener, a thinker, a speaker. The listener captures what the caller says and converts it to text. The thinker is Google Gemini, reading that text and generating an intelligent reply. The speaker takes Gemini's response and delivers it back as spoken audio. Those three pieces loop continuously. The caller speaks, Gemini processes the input, the agent responds. No breaks, no delays, no one clocking out at 5. That is the closed loop voice stack in action. Let me walk you through exactly how to build this. You start at Google AI Studio and pull a free API key. Google's free tier gives you access to Gemini. For a local business voice agent handling standard inquiries, that free tier is more than enough. Once you have your key, you open a Python environment and install two libraries. The first is SpeechRecognition. This is what converts spoken words from the caller into text that Gemini can work with. The second is PidSX3. This library takes Gemini's text response and converts it back into speech. Both are open source, both are completely free. Here is where things get wild. Once those pieces are connected, you write the system prompt. This is the single most important element in the entire build. The system prompt is where you give Gemini its identity and its instructions. Think of it like briefing a new employee before their first shift. You tell it the business name and what they do. You tell it the services, the pricing structure, the hours, and the tone of voice. You tell it what to say when someone asks something outside its knowledge. Gemini reads those instructions and operates within those boundaries every single time. Every call, every response, completely consistent. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. That system prompt is also what makes the closed loop voice stack scalable across clients. You're not rebuilding the system for each new deployment, you're writing a new document. That's the entire customization process. One client is a landscaping company, write a prompt for them. The next client is a veterinary clinic, write a different prompt. The Python code and Gemini integration stay exactly the same underneath, only the instructions change. That's the architecture that turns a one-time build into a repeatable service. Deployment is simpler than most people expect. You can test the entire system on your own local machine before touching any client work. When you're ready to go live, a basic cloud server handles the hosting. Google Cloud's free tier provides enough compute for a standard voice agent. Other low-cost hosting options also work well here. You point the system at the server. The closed-loop voice stack runs continuously from that point forward. Your client's business now has a voice agent. It takes calls at any hour, no action required from you after setup. I remember feeling overwhelmed by setups like this when I was first getting started. Back in my brother's garage, every powerful solution came with a price wall. Completely free tools were a different experience. Here is where the closed loop voice stack becomes serious income. You are solving a problem that local business owners already feel every day. Missed calls equal missed revenue. A painting contractor misses 5 calls a week while working summer jobs. A florist gets buried on Valentine's Day and can't answer new inquiries. A car detail shop loses walk-in interest because the line rings out. You go to any one of those businesses with a working demo. You show them what Google Gemini does when someone calls and asks a question. The agent answers immediately. It collects names and contact details. It explains next steps and sets a callback expectation. The business owner stops losing leads in the gaps between busy moments. You charge a setup fee for the initial build. You charge a monthly retainer for maintenance and adjustments. Businesses that currently use answering services or virtual receptionists are already paying for this kind of coverage. You're delivering it more efficiently and pocketing the margin that a platform would normally take. Your overhead is your time, nothing else. This is the angle most tutorials never touch. Your delivery cost drops with every new client you add. The first one takes the most work because you're building the system. The second client reuses the same code, the same deployment process, and the same testing workflow. All you're writing fresh is the system prompt. By your fifth client, that process takes hours, not days. Each retainer adds to your monthly base. The income stacks, the workload doesn't. Here is something worth understanding about the pricing side. You don't need to undercharge to win these clients. A basic voice agent setup could reasonably run several $100s as a one-time build fee. The monthly retainer for updates, prompt adjustments, and minor changes is a separate line item. When you frame it against what a live answering service costs, your offer looks like a bargain. When you frame it against the revenue a missed call represents, it looks even better. You're not selling a tech service, you're selling recovered revenue. That's the conversation that closes. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link, those free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. Here is what this looks like for a real business. Imagine a woman named Sandra running a mobile pet grooming operation solo. She drives to clients' homes all day. Her phone rings while she's mid-groom. She cannot answer. By the time she finishes, she has missed 6 calls. 2 of those were new customers who already found another groomer. You build Sandra a voice agent powered by Google Gemini. It picks up every call immediately. It asks about the type of pet and the location. It walks through Sandra's booking process. It handles common questions about services and approximate pricing. Sandra ends each day with a clean list of interested new clients ready for a confirmation call. Her missed call problem is gone. Her referral chain starts moving. She tells her friend who runs a window cleaning company about what you built. That is your next client. Each new deployment adds a monthly retainer to your base. Each client refers someone else who has the same problem. The closed-loop voice stack scales quietly in the background while you focus on the next conversation. Imagine what your service business looks like 60 days from now. Recurring clients, a system that runs without you watching it, built entirely on Google Gemini and free Python tooling. No platform eating your margin, no subscription renewing while you sleep. You built it yourself with free tools and a clear process. That is the kind of leverage that actually compounds over time. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to those free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.